Welcome to this hands-on virtual training session where we'll walk through the process of installing a sump pump. This skill is crucial for managing water in basements and ensuring that unwanted water doesn't cause damage. And here in the world of VER, you get the unique opportunity to practice these tasks in a safe, controlled environment before stepping into the real world of plumbing installations. Let's dive right in. We're starting with some essential prep work. First, grab the pipe primer bottle. This primer is a key player in creating airtight, watertight seals on threaded connections. Open the bottle and apply the primer to the opening of the pipe. It's a simple step, but a crucial one for ensuring everything fits together perfectly. Next, pick up the coupling and place it onto the pipe opening. It's going to serve as the connection piece for various parts of the system. Now grab the male threaded adapter and don't forget to apply some primer to it as well. Once that's done, place the adapter back on the table for a moment. Time to move on to pipe glue. Open the glue bottle and apply a layer of glue to the male threaded adapter. Now carefully place the adapter onto the pipe and tighten it to make sure everything is secure. Next up, let's grab the check valve. This little component is key. It ensures water only flows in one direction and prevents any nasty backflow into the sump pit. Place the check valve onto the pipe and align it with the threads. Tighten it down securely to guarantee a leak-free connection. Now, let's go and set up the pipe itself. Pick up the pipe primer and the male threaded adapter again. Apply the primer to the adapter, followed by the pipe glue. Then, place the adapter onto the pipe that will connect to the sump pump. Attach the pipe to the sump pump and move on to the next step. You will now need the slip joint pliers. Use them to tighten the male threaded adapter onto the sump pump. This is an essential step to ensure everything stays connected properly. Now, let's tackle a little detail that makes all the difference: drilling. Grab the drill, and with it, make a hole at a 45-degree angle in the pipe for air passage. The 45-degree angle ensures optimal airflow, which is key for preventing any blockages. Once the hole is drilled, double-check to make sure it's properly done. With the hole ready, let's move on to the final installation steps. First, carefully pick up the sump pump assembly and lower it into the pit. This is where it will collect and pump out water, preventing any potential flooding or damage in the basement. We'll go back to the pipe primer now. Apply it to the head of the pipe. Follow that by placing the coupling over the pipe and positioning it in place. Next, grab the male threaded adapter once again, apply primer to it, and set it aside for a moment. Now, grab the pipe glue again and apply it to the male threaded adapter. Place the adapter onto the pipe and tighten it to ensure a secure connection. Align the coupling with the threads of the check valve, then tighten it securely along the threads. This keeps everything in place, ensuring no leaks or loose connections. With everything in place, it's time to power up the system. Locate the power connection for the pump and switch it on. Take a moment to check the pit and make sure that the sump pump is running smoothly and efficiently. Finally, grab the cover and place it securely over the sump pump. This not only protects the pump, but also ensures safety and proper functioning. And there you have it, a complete sump pump installation. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to review the key steps of the installation process. Preparation: apply pipe primer to ensure airtight, watertight seals on threaded connections. Connecting the pump, attach the check valve, male threaded adapter, and glue the connections securely to the pipe and sump pump. Securing the system, tighten all connections using slip joint pliers to prevent leaks and ensure stability. Drilling for airflow: drill a hole at a 45-degree angle in the pipe for proper airflow and to avoid blockages. Finalizing, place the sump pump into the pit, power it on, and check for smooth operation. Secure the protective cover over the pump. Throughout this simulation, you've been hands-on, which helps build the skills needed in the real world. Plus, using VR for this training gives you the chance to practice multiple times in a low-risk environment, honing your skills before heading into the field. By the end of this training, you'll have the confidence to tackle installations like this with ease. Remember, this kind of real-world experience is invaluable. Keep practicing, and these tasks will soon feel second nature.